Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all ill by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEPS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. My dear student, today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 1. Our today's topic is times table. Dear student, there is a good news for you. There is no SW today and this is RW class. Okay, in our class we shall solve times table 11 and times table 12. So let us start our class how to read and write times table 11 and 12. And I know you can write and read times table 11 and 12, but for your better understand we take this class again. So please start. So first of all we write times table 11. Times table 11. Here my dear students, TT means times table. Okay. So in order to write times table 11, first of all we write TO. TO means tens place and ones place. Then we give on box empty. After that we write TO again. Then we give on box empty and another I write here TO. Okay. Now 11. So first of all I write 11. 11 in empty box I write here multiplication sign and 0. Okay. Then I give equal sign. So now 11 zeros are 0. Next, similarly we write 11 ones are 11. My dear students, say important point for you that you must maintain time, TO when you write times table. So 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 sixes are 66, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88, 11 nines are 99. My dear student, notice now we write 11 tens are what? 11 tens are 110, but here only two places, T place, that means tens place, and 1 place. So if you write here HTO, then it will be okay, but if you forget to write H here, then in this section you write HTO, and finally you write 11 tens are 110. And it's a great point you that I forget to write this HTO. For this reason I write here HTO. Okay, if you forget to write HTO in this section, here you write HTO. Dear students, times table is very interesting to me. Do you know times table of 11 is my favorite times table, and you must comment under the comment section which times table is favorite to you. Okay, so now please read times table. 11 zeros are 0, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 sixes are 66, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88, 11 nines are 99, and 11 tens are 110. Okay, I repeat, this is my favorite times table. Okay, now I erase this and start to write times table 12. Okay, so what can we do now? At first we write TO. So here TO, and TO. TO means tens place and ones place. Tens place on place. Here 12. So in order to write 12 tens are what and 12 nines are what, then we need 100 place also. So here we write HTO. So first of all write 12. 12 zeros are 0, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 six are 72, 12 8 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108. So here you notice 108. It has three places: ones place, tens place, and hundred place. You must maintain these places. Okay. And finally 12 tens are 120. So now please read with me. 12 zeros are 0, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, and 12 tens are 120. So my dear students, you have already know the importance of times table. If you don't learn times table from 1 to 12 carefully and properly, then you can't do division or multiplication. So if you want to do division and multiplication very well, then you must learn times table properly. So my dear students, don't neglect these topics. You must learn times table properly. So keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.